And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this solar floodlight with motion sensor 2-pack. These are 9000K LED motion sensor waterproof lights with 16.4 feet of cord. You're able to put the solar panel wherever it can get sun, and then when somebody walks in front of the sensor, all of these lights will cut on so that you can see. A little bit of the specs here on the back. The battery is not replaceable. It's ultra cool white color, and it's 1500 milliamp. Let's open it up. So inside of here, we will find 2 lights. That's it for the box. Here is light number 1, as well as mounts and everything, screws and everything, instructions, of course, how to put it all together. And then here's a close-up of the lights. So this is your solar panel. You're able to take one of these to put on here to mount your solar panel, and you have 16.4 feet of a detachable waterproof cable that runs to your light wherever you may put it. Literally hit your power button, let it charge up, and then you'll have some ultra bright light wherever you may need it. I'm gonna set up one of these and show you exactly what it looks like right here. All right, so I have my mounts installed with 2 of the 4 screws. Gonna add in, I don't feel I really need all 4 screws, so we're gonna put up our solar panel and light now. So it easily just slides right onto here, and then you can angle the solar panel however you want, and then you repeat with your light. And then you can angle it however you may need. Now with all that cable, you could run this, of course, many different ways, but this is how I easily set mine up. The sun will hit here, charge it up, and when someone walks under it, it'll light up and look like this. So this is as dark as I can get it outside, but as I walk up to this light, you can see it cut on, and you can see how much of the yard it actually lights up over here. So very, very nice. There is 3 different settings on this light. So you can have this, which is the highest brightness, and then there's also a lower brightness, like a medium brightness, and then a low brightness. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.